everyone, I'm Jacqui Schlesinger, a TA from the Tuesday at 7 class, and this is Spring Week 5, Level 2, Problem 2. So if you haven't already, I'm going to start by reading the problem. It says, a bicyclist wants to make a 600-mile trip on his two-wheel bicycle. He has a spare wheel that is used to replace either of the other two wheels. Suppose each of the three wheels is to have the same mileage for the trip. How many miles should each wheel travel? Alright, so let's start with what we know here in red. The bicyclist is going to take a 600-mile trip. He has a two-wheel, or he or she has a two-wheel bike, and it has one spare wheel, so that's a total of 3 wheels. And all 3 wheels are going to end up with the same mileage. So we want to find out what that mileage is. The first thing we want to find out is the total distance traveled by the wheels on the trip. So the bicycle itself will travel 600 miles, but because there's 2 wheels going at the same time for those full 600 miles, the total distance traveled by wheels, any of the 3, would be 600 times 2, because both wheels are moving together. So the total distance traveled by wheels is 600 miles times 2 from the distance of the trip, which is 1,200 miles. Miles abbreviated MI. Alright, so we know that there's a total of 1,200 miles traveled by 3 different wheels. And since all the wheels will end up with the same mileage, we want to take our total distance traveled by the wheels and some combination of using these wheels that makes them have the same mileage. We would divide by 3 because they're a total of 3 wheels. If you did long division, you'd find 1,200 divided by 3 is 400. And so the total number divided by the number of wheels gives us the amount traveled by each wheel, which is 400 miles.